I wasn't going to bother today, but I've just seen Paula's 4-week make video. I too I'm waiting now for a grey slip with black specks and a white slip colour, because the pub there needs to be white. And I've added a few silly things at the pottery. We've got some mad things in the windows. I've got a couple of little birds I'm going to put on. I want to be able to put them on once some say this building I'm going to put white slip on as well, maybe put the birds in that tree. But I'm going to get the slip on it first, it was going to be fiddly otherwise. So there's not, I have to bag it, there's not much more I can do on that until my colours come. And the base is ready for firing. I'll tidy it up a bit. I'm going to fire this along with a lot of other stuff, maybe tomorrow. And this is the dome. It looks like a silly helmet at the moment. And I thought I'd put the sun and the moon on, because I thought I might have night and day just on the dome. And I'll file that with the big piece, of course, when they're dry. So I'll bag this one again as well. It looks silly at the moment, but I don't think it will once it's done. The idea is that these you'll be able to use as handles to take it off if you ever need to, as you assemble or deassemble. Maybe talk about the process another time, although I have to say it certainly seems to work for me anyway. Okay, bye everybody.